Good day, all. Ira Epstein with your metal market update, and this update is for Wednesday. And we are sitting here now at the 29th of June, 2022, about 7:10 p.m. Central Time. I get a haircut tomorrow, so be ready for it, all right? A little different. Trim. But trim is a good word because we seem to be trimming back some of the stock market indexes. We are looking at the gold just stuck here at the 1820 level. I don't mind telling you, I told my traders that had been short in the 1840s that I'd put out the rec, the cover right basically here. Go to the sideline. It's a holiday. Might as well not take too much risk. I still like the short side of Bitcoin, but I am concerned it's not able to really punch through the $20,000 level and stay there. So acting bottomy, I must say that. Tomorrow morning, I'd be very, very careful. At 11 o'clock, we get the USDA supply report where we'll get the grain supplies, but acreage numbers. Acreage is a big deal. We're going to see just what was planted, how that's going to impact the market, and to a degree, that'll play with the metal markets because it's going to be about inflation. More crop, less crop, more acres. What are the yields? There's a lot of questions that are going to be answered right here. When we go to the gold chart and we look at the weekly average of closes, we are down for the week so far about 1/3%. We certainly haven't gone anywhere up or down. You can see how the market just hanging in here. And we had an outside day down. Now, one sign that the market doesn't want to stay breaking would be getting over tomorrow, be it on Thursday or Friday, 1834.90. If that occurs, it's part of the outside day course that I've been creating. My voice is gone, so I can't finish it. It would tell me that you're going to come into this general area of the 18 and the 200-day average. Not a big move, so it's not a big change. Normally, you get markets that the moving averages are further away. As for the downside, well, maybe you get to the Bollinger Band, but each time you have been approaching it, you bounce away from it. I think you can see that. So I have trouble wanting to be short beyond the 1800 level. The market just doesn't act like it wants to let go to the downside. When we look at the slow stochastics, you are oversold. Plenty of reasons in my mind, it's probably a crooked mind, to not want to be short right here much longer. And that's why I told traders walk away. As for the gold-silver ratio, nah. This still stinks. That's the way to put it. You're moving up almost to new highs. So silver continues to lose to the gold market, which to me means that China's not out of their problems. And I saw Standard & Poor came out today and downgraded the GDP estimates for the year for China. You're not talking 5%. You're now under 4%, well under it. We'll see if China can figure out a way to lie about their numbers, but every time they go to the zero COVID, you got to get scared. And guess what, folks? Please understand this. There's going to be another wave of COVID. The government's telling you what's going to happen. And you're going to get it in the fall. It's already hitting, the old wave, the numbers 4 and 5 are hitting us right now. Unfortunately, I'm a victim of that. And we'll see what happens. But they're coming up with new vaccines. If China doesn't take Western medicine, they'll get put down again. As you can see what's going on through here in the copper market, still bearish. So the canary in the mine, which is copper for the world economies, it hasn't lifted out. When we get the red number over 21 on a close, I'll say to you, aha, I think that the market's ready to get back up to the $4 level or thereabouts. Something more positive is taking place in world economies. I'm not seeing it at this point in time. In the platinum, we still are in a general downtrend, but flirting. The word is flirting with losing the embedded reading tonight. Palladium market lost that reading, and it took off to the upside. Now, it was just oversold, but it went to the upper Bollinger Band, halted, but it's coming and sort of staying there. Could platinum and palladium be the new canary in the mine? I don't know, because they're both used for catalytic converters. It would mean to me that car production might come on. I mean, come on, that is what they're basically all about. In the dollar, all you did is have a correction from the upper Bollinger Band into support at the 18-day average. You're trendless right now in that you have a higher high and a lower low. No trend, but certainly an upside bias to the whole market. So when I look at all this and try to put together what you might want to do, one of the things that I love is in the morning, what I try to accomplish for you. And let me explain what I do. At 5:30 in the morning approximately, I start recording ideas on the markets. I cover 40 futures markets. Each morning video, and then on the weekend, by the way, I cover the weekly charts with it. These are not about day trades. They are about swing trades. Why? The futures market has 90% leverage, not 50% like the stock market. Therefore, things go quicker. Understand that. If you don't, that's your problem, not mine. I get it. Been around this 50 some odd years, and I know I get people writing me, "You're an old man, what are you doing there?" Hey guys, here's the whole thing. What I have forgotten, you have yet to learn. All right? That is the important thing. You've yet to learn it. Go to Reddit. Play with those fools, okay? Get what I'm saying with the meme stocks, all right? You're not hearing much about them because these guys have yet to learn how to play a bear market. When they get it, I'm a Reddit fan at that point, okay? But I get what the average age is on Reddit. I advertise there. I see it. I like Reddit. But you have to learn how to trade bear markets. And if you don't get it, you got a real problem. That's where I come in. I have a guy with 53 years of experience in doing this. Am I going to be right on every recommendation? Here's the guarantee. I guarantee I'm going to be wrong. Not all the time, but I am going to have losing trades, all right? Who doesn't? God, maybe. I am not that person, all right? Or that entity or whatever the heck it is. So if you're interested in learning about this, because you're going to get trade setups with a video showing you what I'm seeing, why I'm seeing it, you don't have to take it. It's an idea. Where else are you getting that? You're reading a long newsletter? It doesn't make any sense. So how do you get this? It's simple. Go to our website. Under the word research, everything is explained there. Can I make it any easier? And all your choices are there. For almost the price of a Starbucks with your tip, you're going to be able to see a full month of what I do. You decide, is this worth it for you? I'm Ira. You have a great day. I will see you tomorrow.